Florida is preparing for large-scale evacuations as Hurricane Milton approaches major cities like Tampa and Orlando, with winds reaching 90 miles per hour. Expected to make landfall midweek, the storm could bring heavy rainfall and flooding. Governor Ron DeSantis declared a state of emergency for 51 counties, urging residents to stock up on supplies. Emergency fuel and charging stations are being set up along evacuation routes. Federal disaster assistance has surpassed $137 million, and FEMA is coordinating efforts to support the state's response and recovery.